So January is finally here and excitement is building for Samsung's next major smartphone launch, the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung's flagship S series has consistently been one of the most popular and capable smartphone lines each year, and with just a couple of days left for the January 17 Galaxy Unpacked event, here is a comprehensive overview of all the design, cutting-edge specs, software enhancement, camera upgrades and other key details we know so far about this eagerly waited. While initial renders suggest the overall look of the Galaxy S24 series will stay very similar to the S23 lineup. A number of thoughtful design refinements are expected. The S24 and S24 Plus will likely feature fully squared off edges for a premium feel in hand, while the S24 Ultra appears set to keep its signature controlled edges. However, Samsung looks poised to finally adopt flat display across the S24 range, with the S24 Ultra rumored to be equipped with an expensive 6.8-inch 1440 pixel flat OLED display capable of an bright 2500 nits peak brightness, a sizable upgrade from the S23 Ultra's still impressive 1750 nits panel. The S24 Plus is also getting a display boost with a marginally larger 6.7-inch QHD Plus OLED screen elevated to a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, up from Full HD Plus resolution on the S23 Plus. In a bid to maximize portability and usability, the S24 Ultra may utilize a titanium frame to set precious grams compared to aluminum models S23 Ultra. Unfortunately, the S24 and S24 Plus are still expected to stick with aluminum to keep costs down. So that's for today in this video, and thank you for watching, and for more videos like this please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.